In the freshman year, the real curriculum shows up in feedback rather than grades, shaping how ideas grow. A student learns to read professor comments like maps, spotting recurring patterns that mark strengths and overlooked gaps. Conversations during office hours turn critiques into concrete steps, pairing theory with practical tweaks across math, literature, and lab work. Peers from diverse cultures translate jargon, reveal new approaches, and turn solitary study into daily collaborative breakthroughs. By chasing these microlessons, students build resilience, curiosity, and a flexible mindset ready for any major's twists.